yesterday we have seen the topic as assessing the performance of the classification, in which we have seen the how we can write the confusion matrix. So with the help of confusion matrix, we can assess the performance of classification. Now here we have taken certain images which are predicted images or predicted labels. We have given the name as predicted labels, and actual labels are there. And with the help of actual labels and predicted labels, we have calculated the true positive, true negative, false positive, and false negative value. Okay. So how we can calculate true positive? Here, true positive means what? The predicted class is positive and actually the class is positive only. That is called as a true positive. Then here, false negative means what? The predicted class is negative, but it is actually positive class. Here, false positive means what? Predicted class is, what will be the predicted class in case of false positive?
Positive
Class. Predicted class is positive, but it is actually actual class is, what will be the actual class?
Negative.
Actual class is negative, right? And in case of true negative, predicted class is negative as well as actual class is negative. Okay. So here we have written here the values of TP, TN, FP and FN. Okay. With the help of these actual labels and predicted labels. Predicted labels और actual labels से हमने क्या किया है? TP, TN, FP, FN के वैल्यू जो है वो लिख लिए यहाँ पे. Now next we have seen how we can implement it in RStudio. How we can implement it in RStudio. So we have written in RStudio. First of all, we need two classes, that is predicted class and actual class. Predicted class and actual class. So actual class we have written from this Word file only. Whatever these values are there, we have given that values in the actual class. Okay, actual class. Then predicted class, same way. The pictures, the labels of the pictures we have predicted, that we have written here. Okay. Now to form the contingency matrix or the confusion matrix, we have written here the command as table predicted class actual class. We have passed the values of predicted and actual class. So as there are two classes only, cat and dog. So we are seeing the binary classification. We are seeing binary classification. Only two classes are there, cat and dog. These two classes are there for classification of the labels, classification of the data values. Okay. So here with the help of table, we got the contingency matrix. Contingency matrix. Now we want to calculate the accuracy of the classifier. Whatever we have designed, we have predicted. So for that classifier, we want to calculate the accuracy. So accuracy can be calculated with the help of confusion matrix. Confusion matrix, what are the parameters we have passed? That is factor of predicted class and factor of actual class, and it need to define the positive class. Need to define the positive class. Now here, with the help of that positive class, we got the contingency matrix as predicted values, actual values, that is cat, dog, and our contingency matrix is specifically 5311. Now accuracy is calculated here, CI index is calculated, no information rate is calculated, p value, kappa value, sensitivity, specificity, and all these values are calculated here. Now we are seeing how we can calculate if the contingency matrix is given, how we can calculate these values. So that's why we are moving to the parameters by which we can calculate these values. Okay, now here we have seen that first one, that is number of positive, number of positive. This is number of positive. Now here the labels which are positive, number of positive means what? The labels which are positive in actual class, number of labels which are positive in actual class. So how we can write POS formula as POS is equal to summation of x which is belongs to TE, x belongs to TE. That means x value which will be belongs to TE, and TE is nothing but the test set. T is nothing but the test set. Whether CX, class of X, will be positive only. Class of X will be positive. Now, how we have calculated the POS value 6? POS की वैल्यू 6 कैसे आई यहाँ पे? पता है क्या आपको? Why the POS value is 6? Anyone? Why the POS value is 6?
Predicted and actual values are same.
Predicted and actual values are same? No.
From predicted class.
Yes?
From predicted label.
Number of positive and number of negative, it is related to actual class. किसके relative, किसके कहाँ से हम देखते हैं number of positive and number of negative? Actual class में से. So you can, if you are observing here, I have written CX as positive, CX as negative. Okay, what is CX? We have seen that CX is the actual label and C cap of X is predicted label. So with the actual labels, we have to find out how many positives are there, and with the actual labels only, we have to find out how many negatives are there. Okay, clear? कहाँ से देखना है हमें? Actual class में से. Okay, समझ में आया ये? कहाँ से देखना है? Actual class. CX is actual class. C cap of X is predicted class. तो यहाँ पे हमने फॉर्मूला में क्या लिखा है? CX, which is nothing but your actual class. Okay. Now यहाँ पे हमने देखा था actual. This is actual class. So how many values are there for positive? And we have considered positive class as पॉजिटिव क्लास हमने कैट कंसीडर किया. तो यहाँ पे कितने वैल्यूज है? These are the 6 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. जिस कल मैंने जो चेंजेस किए थे वो यहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं हुए इसके लिए. ओके, तो यहाँ पे एक्चुअल वैल्यूज क्या है? 6. ओके, 6 values are there for positive. Now how many remaining are there? 4 values are remaining. So in actual label class, how many values are negative? That is 4 values are negative. Okay, next one, मतलब इसमें से पॉजिटिव क्लास के वैल्यूज कितने हैं, नेगेटिव क्लास के वैल्यूज क्या है, कितने हैं, दैट वी हैव टू सी. ओके, नाउ यहाँ पे हमने चेंजेस किए थे. दिस इज एक्चुअली कैट कैट. Okay, so now we can see how many positive classes are values are there. Number of positives are 6. Okay, then next we can select for number of negative, that is 4. Number of negative in actual class. मैंने कहाँ पे फिल्टर लगाया है? Actual class में. Okay, so number of positive it is 6 and number of negative it is 4. So positive कैसे डिनोट होगा? पॉजिटिव कैसे डिनोट होगा? POS. निगेटिव कैसे डिनोट हो रहा है? NEG. ओके, निगेटिव कैसे डिनोट हो रहा है? It's capital POS and it is capital NEG. Okay. Next is number of true positive. Now, in case of number of true positive, that is, we have to consider two labels, that is CX and C cap of X. CX and C cap of X. Now here, CX is actual label and C cap of X is predicted label. It is predicted label. Okay. Now, how we can calculate number of true positives? So again, X belongs to TE. X belongs to TE, that is test set, and where actual label and predicted label both are positive. Actual label and predicted label both are positive. Number of true negative, how we can calculate true negative? True negative, it is equal to, it is again set of summation of X belongs to TE. E is nothing but the test set. CX, it is equal to C cap of X, which is nothing but negative class. That means actual label and predicted label both are negative. Both are negative. And now we have to calculate as the value of true positive and value of true negative. So how we can calculate it? How we can calculate it? कैसे calculate करेंगे हम value? Now here both labels are same, and in case of number of true positive के केस में क्या होगा? ट्रू पॉजिटिव के केस में क्या सिलेक्ट करना है? यहाँ पे क्या सिलेक्ट करना है?
Cat.
कैट. ओके. यहाँ पे भी क्या सिलेक्ट करेंगे? कैट. ओके. So this is actual class, predicted class. Both are same and both are positive. That means cat, cat. Okay. What we have considered positive class as cat. So that's why we have selected here cat. इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे क्या सिलेक्ट किया है? कैट सिलेक्ट किया. तो कितने रिकॉर्ड्स है ये? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 number of records are there. Count is 5. So number of true positive is 5. Now in case of number of true negative के केस में क्या होगा? What we have to select? क्या सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा?
Actual class and predicted class.
ओके. ये कॉलम में क्या सिलेक्ट करूं? बोलो. सेम, नॉट सेम, क्या सिलेक्ट करना है?
Not same.
Not same. Number of true negative.
Same.
True negative. You have to select same. Okay. Next. ट्रू निगेटिव है तो कौन सा क्लास सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा? वैल्यू क्या सिलेक्ट करनी पड़ेगी? विच वैल्यू शुड आई सिलेक्ट? कौन सी वैल्यू सिलेक्ट करूं मैं? डॉग. ओके. यहाँ पे भी क्या होना चाहिए? डॉग. ओके. सो व्हाट इज ट्रू निगेटिव? TN वैल्यू इज 3. TN वैल्यू इज 3. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? समझ में आ रहा है क्या आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all the students. I want to hear from other students also. ट्रू निगेटिव कैसे फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं? समझ में आ रहा है कि आपको? ट्रू पॉजिटिव, ट्रू निगेटिव. Anyone from other students? Gaurav. हर्षाली, भाग्येश. गौरव, हर्षाली, भाग्येश, कविता. Okay, you have replied in chat box. Okay, so it is number of true positive and true negative. Okay, next, number of false positive. Number of
Positive.
false positive. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या है, predicted label is positive and actual label is
Negative.
negative. So that's why we have written here false positive, FP. It is denoted as FP. FP is equal to the summation of all x which is belongs to TE such that C cap of x, that means predicted label is positive and the actual label is negative. Actual label is negative. Number of false negative. False negative. It is denoted as Fn. So it is again summation of all x which belongs to TE and such that x values are false negative है, तो predicted class क्या रहेगा? Predicted class is
Negative.
negative and actual class is positive. Okay, गलती से positive, गलती से negative. Okay, that means गलती से negative means actual class क्या हो गया? Positive. Now we have to find out the values of FP and Fn again. हमें क्या करना है? FP and Fn के values फिर से calculate करने हैं. Okay, यहाँ से मैं filter निकाल देती हूँ सब. Okay, now what we have to select for column 3? जो हमारे फॉर्मूला में लिखा है, यहाँ पे जो लिखा है, whether it is same, both predicted and actual class is same for both the cases. It is same
No.
or not same?
Not same.
Not same. So we have to select not same. And for false positive, what is the predicted class? Predicted class is positive, right? समझ में आ रहा है क्या? Predicted class is positive. So predicted class we have selected as cat. And actual class is negative. Actual class is negative. तो मैं यहाँ ये कहाँ से बात कर रही हूँ? Predicted class है positive, actual class है negative. जो हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है वही बात कर रही हूँ. ठीक है? Predicted class is positive and actual class is negative. So negative class क्या है? Dog, which we have selected. So how many records are there? One record is there. One record is there. Okay, so that's why FP value is 1. FP value is 1. यहाँ पे FP की वैल्यू क्या हो गई? 1. It is 1. Okay. Now how we can calculate FN value? FN value कैसे कैलकुलेट करनी है? अगेन यहाँ पे जो फिल्टर है वो वही रहेगा, नॉट सेंड का. ओके, नाउ प्रेडिक्टेड क्या है? निगेटिव है, तो प्रेडिक्शन क्या रहेगा? डॉग क्लास. एंड एक्चुअल क्लास क्या है? पॉजिटिव, विच इज कैट क्लास. ओके, तो यहाँ पे एफएन की वैल्यू क्या हो गई? 1. एफएन वैल्यू इज ऑल्सो 1. यहाँ तक समझ में आया? शैल वी मूव फॉरवर्ड? आगे जाए क्या हम?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, number of false positive, number of false negative. यहाँ तक हमने calculate की. ठीक है? Now we have to calculate proportion of positive. Next is proportion of positive. What do you mean by proportion of positive? So among the total number of instances, how many positive instances are there in the actual class? In the actual class, among the total number of instances, how many positive instances are there in the actual class? Okay, so it is called as a proportion of positive. So it is denoted as small POS. Number of positives are denoted as capital P small os. So proportion of positive is denoted as small POS. It is nothing but 1 divided by total number of instances, and again it is summation of x which is belongs to TE, and here actual class must be positive. Actual class must be positive. Now this is nothing but, what does this mean? This is nothing but, ये क्या है? Summation of x belongs to TE, Cx is equal to positive. ये क्या है?
Actual class.
Number of
Positive.
positive. ये क्या है?
Positive.
Number of positive, which is denoted as POS, which is denoted as POS. So we can write here POS divided by total number of instances. POS divided by total number of instances. So यहाँ पे हमारी POS की वैल्यू क्या थी? POS value is, what is the POS value? This one, it is 6,
6.
right? Right? POS की वैल्यू क्या है? 6 divided by total number of instances कितने हैं? Total number of instances कितने हैं? 10. So it is nothing but 0.6. It is nothing but 0.6. Okay. Proportion of positive, we are checking in actual class only. ठीक है? Proportion of positive is written as number of positives divided by total number of instances. Number of positive divided by total number of instances. So POS divided by P, and already we have calculated the, हमने क्या किया है? POS की वैल्यू पहले से कैलकुलेट की है, which is nothing but 6. And how many number of instances we have tested? That is 10 number of instances. So the value becomes 6 divided by 10, which is nothing but 0.6. Okay, it is proportion of positive. Proportion of positive. Now next, proportion of negative. Okay, proportion of negative, it is denoted as small neg. Small neg. Okay, small neg, it is equal to, क्या होगा ये? Proportion of positive से proportion of negative का फॉर्मूला बता सकते हो आप?
Yes.
बोलो तो.
1 upon
1 upon
summation of
1 upon TE, total number of instances. Okay. Summation of x belongs to TE. And here
P of x is equal to negative.
C of x is equal to negative. Very good. C of x is equal to negative. Now what does this formula means? Again, if we check this,
Okay.
number of negative. This formula is nothing but number of negative. So that formula we can replace as NEG. कैसे replace कर सकते हैं? NEG से replace कर सकते हैं. NEG divided by total number of instances. NEG divided by total number of instances. So NEG की value क्या है अभी? Again, what is the value of NEG? NEG value is 4. Okay. How many total number of instances are there?
10.
4 divided by 10, which is nothing but
0.4.
Okay, which is nothing but 0.4. Okay, समझ में आया? Proportion of positive, proportion of negative. Next is class ratio. Class ratio. Class ratio is denoted as CLR, and which is nothing but ratio of positive class to the negative class. So POS divided by NEG. POS divided by NEG. Okay. Now what is the value of POS? Small POS value is
0.6.
0.6. Small NEG value is
0.4.
0.4, which is nothing but 0.6
1.5.
divided by 0.4,
1.5.
is 1.5. Okay, so this is the class ratio. So today we have seen proportion of positive, proportion of negative, and class ratio. So proportion of positive is nothing but 1 divided by total number of instances and summation of all the positive instances in the actual class. And proportion of negative is nothing but summation of all instances, all negative instances in the actual class divided by total number of instances. Okay, negative, how many negative values, negative labels are there in actual class divided by total number of instances. Okay, and class ratio is nothing but the ratio of positive to the negative. Okay, next one, that is very important concept, that is accuracy. Now how we can find out the accuracy? Accuracy के लिए क्या होगा? Accuracy कैसे find out करेंगे? Whether the class is positive or negative. Correctly identify किया है क्या? If it is correctly identified, then we can say it is the accurate. Okay, so accuracy, it is denoted as ACC, accuracy. So it is again 1 divided by total number of instances. It is summation of x belongs to TE and whether it is positive class or negative class, whether it is positive class or negative class. So both labels are same. That is predicted class is same as actual class. Predicted class is same as actual class. Now, how many values are there which are same for predicted and actual? Predicted and actual.
Eight.
8 values are there. So here we have to select same. Okay, इतने whether it is positive or negative, पॉजिटिव है या तो फिर नेगेटिव है, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या किया है? सो इट इज प्रेडिक्टेड करेक्टली, करेक्टली प्रेडिक्ट हुआ है ये, इसके लिए यहाँ पे कितने वैल्यूज है? ये 8. सो वी कैन राइट हियर, तो यहाँ पे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? एक्चुअल वैल्यूज एंड प्रेडिक्टेड वैल्यूज बोथ आर सेम, दैट टोटल नंबर ऑफ instances are 8 and divided by total number of instances which are 10, so which is nothing but 0.8. So accuracy for this classifier is 0.8. Okay, then next one, error rate. कब हम बोलेंगे कि एरर है? जब क्या होगा? एक्चुअल क्लास एंड प्रेडिक्टेड क्लास क्या होगा? सेम नहीं है तब. Okay, or error rate is denoted as ERR, which is nothing but 1 divided by TE. Again, it is summation of x belongs to TE, where predicted class and actual class are not same. Are not same. Predicted class और actual class वो क्या होगा? दोनों भी सेम नहीं रहेंगे, तब हम क्या बोलेंगे? There is error. So how many 8 values are correctly identified? How many values are remaining? 2 values are remaining. So ऐसे कितने values हैं टेबल में, एक्चुअल लेबल्स और प्रेडिक्टेड लेबल के टेबल में, कि जो करेक्टली आइडेंटिफाई नहीं हुए हैं? So that is 2 values are there. So 2 divided by 10, which is nothing but 0.2. So error rate is nothing but 0.2. And again we can write error rate as 1 minus accuracy. So 1 minus 0.8, which is 0.2, which is 0.2. Okay, next, true positive rate. True positive rate. Now how we can calculate true positive rate? So it is denoted as TPR. TPR, and again it is summation of all x which belongs to TE, in which C predicted label and actual label which are positive divided by actual label which is positive, divided by actual label which is positive. So it is true positive rate. It is C cap of x, that means actual label and predicted label both are positive, divided by total number of positive labels in a actual class. That is called as a true positive rate. तो क्या बोलेंगे हम? True positive rate. तो TPR. TPR is it is equal to summation of x which belongs to TE. Actual label and predicted label are positive divided by the number of actual labels which are positive. So number of actual labels which are positive, it is denoted as number of positive in actual class.
POS.
Okay, and ऊपर का क्या है? Actual class and predicted class both are positive. So actual class and predicted class both are positive. तो यहाँ पे actual class and predicted class both are positive. ये क्या है? TP, right? What is this? This is TP. So can we write here? It is nothing but TP divided by POS. लिख सकते हैं क्या?
Yes.
Okay. So it is TP divided by POS. So what is the value for TP? TP की value क्या है?
5.
TP की value क्या है? 5. What is the value for POS? POS की
6.
value कितनी है? 6. So 5 divided by 6. What is the value for 5 divided by 6?
0.83.
0.83. ठीक है? 0.83. Now here यहाँ पे क्या है? ट्रू पॉजिटिव कितने हुए? 5. लेकिन एक्चुअली क्लास में कितने पॉजिटिव है? 6. सो वेयर द वन लेबल गोज, एक लेबल कहाँ पे गया? क्योंकि पॉजिटिव कितने थे? 6 थे. एक्चुअल क्लास में पॉजिटिव कितने थे? 6. लेकिन प्रेडिक्टेड पॉजिटिव कितने हुए? 5. तो एक लेबल कहाँ पे गया? समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या पूछ रही हूँ? मी काय विचारते समजतंय की तुम्हाला? यस, समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या पूछ रही हूँ आपको? सो व्हेन इन एक्चुअल क्लास में क्या हुआ? एक्चुअल क्लास हैज पॉजिटिव लेबल्स एट 6, लेकिन ट्रू पॉजिटिव में कितने गए? 5. तो वन लेबल कहाँ पे गया? वन लेबल कहाँ पे गया? मतलब पीओएस की वैल्यू ट्रू पॉजिटिव है, प्लस क्या आ सकता है यहाँ पे? प्लस क्या आ सकता है यहाँ पे? फॉल्स निगेटिव. फॉल्स निगेटिव. ठीक है? प्रेडिक्ट क्या हुआ? वो पॉजिटिव था, लेकिन प्रेडिक्ट क्या हुआ? निगेटिव प्रेडिक्ट हुआ, and which is actually false. That means it is positive. So POS is nothing but TP plus FN. TP plus FN. So we can write for TPR as TP divided by TP plus FN. Okay? Understood? यहाँ तक समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.